Welcome to our presentation of Retiring Without Risk from St. Louis, Missouri. I'm Bob Raspberry. I'm a retired pastor. I was literally amazed at how little I knew about my retirement once I did retire. I happened to connect with my friend Jerry Murphy with Safe Harbor Financial, and Jerry enlightened me considerably on my future. He is just absolutely a wealth of knowledge concerning this subject. Jerry, is it really possible to retire without risk?
Bob, that is a great question, and I get that all the time. And the answer is absolutely yes, you can. I'm going to go over a program today, what I feel is one of the best retirement programs on the market today. It's called a fixed index annuity. Well, Bob, what I'm going to do is I'm going to take 60 minutes of information and try to break it down to 5 minutes for our viewers today, okay? Anyway, these two charts are pictures are worth 1,000 words. I use them in my presentation all the time. As you can see on this chart here, a person has $100,000 in a retirement plan. And the red line is the actual stock market over the last decade, where it went up, went down, went up, and went down. Over the last decade, Bob, there has been two major corrections, and people have lost between 30 to 50% of their retirement. And so I'm going to show you a program, well, that won't happen. And it's called a fixed index annuity. The blue line here shows what the fixed index annuity has done over the last decade. As you can see, when the stock market has corrected, the fixed index annuity has downside protection built into it. So it doesn't go down when the market goes down. But when the market goes up, look, it goes up with the market, but never the down. So that's how we've been able to average good returns over the years.
So you really don't lose your gains.
That's right. They're locked in annually each year, every 12 months.
But Jerry, once I retire, how does the taxes work on this?
Well, you know something, Bob? It's so uncertain today on all the tax codes and changes that are coming down the line. We probably know for certain that eventually that our taxes are going to go way up. But what's so good about this program is built into it, it's tax deferred. So no matter what happens to the tax codes or changes, you can rest assured that your taxes will be deferred in this program.
Well, Jerry, what would happen if I died prematurely?
Well, let me give you an example, Bob. Let's say you put $100,000 in a retirement plan, and let's say that you passed away after 6 years. Well, the value of that program is $140,000. That is the amount of accumulation that occurred in that account, and that will go to the wife or to the children without any surrender charge, without any fees.
Yeah, okay. Well, Jerry, what if I needed money out of this?
Well, another feature that's built into these fixed index annuities is you can get 10% free withdrawals every year. So if you need money for an emergency, or if you just need to supplement your retirement, you can pull out 10% each year.
Jerry, how's this worked over the last year, say 10, 12 years?
Bob, what my clients have averaged over the last 10 years, according to their statements, has been between 5 to 7% returns on average over the last decade. Now that can vary depending on when people got in, but 5 to 7% returns over the last 10 years.
So what if I have another retirement program? How does that work with this?
That's another good question, Bob. You know, a lot of people have 401ks today, through their employer. And when they retire, they don't know what to do with those 401ks. Well, you can convert a 401k, a 403b, a pension plan, an IRA, and you can convert it over to this fixed index annuity retirement program. What's nice about it is, Bob, there's no charge for doing it, and there's no taxes that you have to pay. It's all transferred over tax-free into the retirement plan, and will continue to grow tax-deferred as long as the money's there. And another feature that I think is probably the most important Safety. Once the money is in the account, your principal is guaranteed and locked in.
You know, I'm still kind of thinking about that 5 to 7%. There's really no downside, is there?
Not really, no, Bob.
So, Jerry, is this really safe?
Bob, over the last 25 years, I've never had a client ever lose a dime with a fixed annuity or a fixed index annuity. You know, even going back to 1929 when the stock market crashed and over 10,000 banks failed, the insurance companies were one of the only financial institutes that weathered the storm. And today it's the same way. We work with highly rated insurance companies that have lots of reserves. And why is that important, Bob? Number one is, what if we do have more corrections coming up? With the insurance company, they actually have reserves set aside in case of an emergency. But not only does the insurance company insure your money, they also have reinsurers that insure your money, and also the state of Missouri and the state of Illinois have up to $100,000 protection. So you have triple protection built into this program for safety. Well, you know, Bob, you insure your home, correct?
Yes.
You insure your car?
Yes.
Your life?
Yeah, absolutely.
Health insurance?
Yes.
Well, one of your biggest assets today is your retirement plan. And so now you can insure your retirement plan. And I think that is one of the best features of this fixed index annuity.
Jerry, thank you so much. That was really a lot of information in a short amount of time.
You're welcome,
Thank
Bob.
you. Thank you. No, if you're like me, you probably want more information to help you understand your own financial situation. Safe Harbor Financial would like to send you this book. It's called Retiring Without Risk, Finding Shelter from Financial Storms. Just fill out the information for your free copy today.
Safe Harbor Financial.